Hi, I'm Nishad, and in today's episode, we are exploring a niche but critical topic, that is, how ERP transforms make to order and engineer to order manufacturing environments. So, if you're a manufacturing business owner, plant manager, operation head, or an IT consultant who works with the high customization production models, then this particular episode is for you. By the end of today's session, you'll understand the key differences and challenges in MTO and ETO models, how ERP systems solve complexity in project specific production, and best practices to streamline bill of materials, workflows, costing, and change management. So let's get started. First of all, let me break down the problem for you. Make to order and engineer to order are production models where customization is king, but that comes with chaos. In MTO, no product is made until an order is confirmed, whereas in ETO, not only is the product unique, but the engineering and design work start after the order is received. And this leads to a number of things. That includes constant engineering change orders, complex and dynamic bill of materials, high coordination between design, procurement, and production, and difficulty in estimating the lead times and the accurate costings. Here, without a tightly integrated system, these variables create delays, miscommunication, and profit leakage. Now, let me share two real scenarios with you. The first would be for the ETO for a custom machinery manufacturer. So, this particular client of ours builds automated bottling lines for beverage companies. Each project has a different bottle shape, speed, and packaging style. Before ERP implementation, their design team would send specifications via email, and then procurement would guess requirements, and that led to delays, and these delays were the norm. After ERP, a lot of things changed. Bill of materials were auto generated from design templates, procurement is notified in real time, and every part is traceable by project ID. For the second example, we'll be talking about the real scenario for the steel fabrication company using the make to order. Now, this manufacturer manufactures steel staircases for high rise buildings. Every staircase has a different load capacity, material grade, and size. Without ERP, they faced repeated inventory shortages and pricing errors. But with ERP, they now have a dynamic price matrix and job specific production planning that has basically reduced rework by 27% and improved order accuracy dramatically. Now, coming to some tips and solutions. So, let's talk about how ERP tackles these challenges in the MTO and ETO parts. First, let's see how it helps in dynamic bill of material management. So, the ERP allows version control project specific BOMs. BOMs can be tied directly to sales orders or project IDs. Now let's come to the integrated engineering change orders or the ECOs. Here, as the design revisions come in, ERP tracks changes and ensures procurement and production adjusts in synchronization. Coming to the project based costing, every order has a separate cost tracking, labor, materials, subcontracting, so you know your true margins. Automated workflow triggers. You'll be able to have an approval based flow for designs, materials, and QAs are embedded within the same. Apart from that, you also have the real time collaboration. Different departments from the design to dispatch access the same data sets without any data silos. Now, coming to the best practices within the manufacturing industry. So, if you're considering ERP for your MTO and ETO setup, here are some of the best practices to follow. The very first would be modular deployment. So you can start with core modules like project management, bill of materials, manufacturing, and procurement. Later on, you can add PLM and QA as per your requirement. Digital document management. Basically, it ensures that your ERP integrates with the CAD or PLM tools for a smooth design import process. Configure to order templates. You'll be able to use partial product templates that allow quick customizations instead of starting from scratch every time. Team training. You'll be able to invest in training your engineering and production teams. The best ERPs in the world won't help if the users don't follow workflows, right? And lastly, we have the real-time dashboards that would empower plant managers and project heads with live dashboards for task status, costing, and delivery timelines. So, that was it. Now let's wrap it up. Now here are the key takeaways. MTO and ETO manufacturers operate in a high variation, high stake environment. And ERP isn't just helpful, it's essential to manage complexity, reduce miscommunication, and maintain profitability. So, if you're still managing project-based production using spreadsheets, disconnected tools, or tribal knowledge, now is the time to act. Modern ERP platforms are modular, cloud-ready, and customizable to your engineering needs. If this episode resonated with you and you're facing challenges in your MTO or ETO operations, you can reach out to us. Whether you are in machinery, fabrication, construction components, or process systems, we can help streamline your workflows. You can anytime contact us by dropping us an email at sales@apagen.com. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss on our next episodes as well. Thanks for tuning in to today's podcast. Until next time, keep building smarter.